Electric cars have always been expensive, but Tesla is a company that was somewhat successful in bringing down the prices of electric vehicles, considering the performance that they're packing. But even then, Teslas are still really expensive, and an affordable Tesla is still a dream for a lot of people. What if we told you Tesla made an affordable electric vehicle that almost everyone can afford? Which Tesla do you think would be the most affordable Tesla that you can buy today? If you think that's the Model 3, you're right. But what else do you know about the Tesla Model 3? Is it as fun to drive as its bigger brother, the Model S? Is it as feature-packed as the Model S? Is it worth your money? Well, today let's discuss exactly that. Welcome back to AutoDose, your daily dose for everything automotive. In today's video, we'll be looking at the Tesla Model 3 in detail. But before we get started, make sure to smash that subscribe button for your chance to win our monthly shout-out giveaway. Once you're done, comment down below "I subbed" and you'll be entered in the giveaway. Let's get started. If you look at the trends in the automotive industry, you'll find that the market for fully electric vehicles is continuing to grow. And this has to be due to the fact that there are so many technological advancements and government incentives that support the growth of electric vehicles. Electric cars have always been expensive, and that's still the case today to some extent, even though the prices have come down when you look at the price-to-performance ratio that Tesla is offering today. When it comes to electric vehicles, we know that Tesla is leading the race, and the most affordable offering from Tesla has to be the Model 3. The Model 3 is also a very popular EV in terms of worldwide sales, and it also competes really well in its segment. The Model 3 is an impressive sedan, and it happens to be a very important model for Tesla. It comes in 3 variants: the Standard Plus variant, the long-range all-wheel drive variant, and finally the performance variant. And all of these variants are differentiated by the driving range and also the acceleration that these cars offer. The Standard Plus variant of the Model 3 offers 262 miles of range on a single charge, and it can do 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 5.3 seconds, with a top speed of 140 miles per hour. The car comes with 18-inch wheels along with a panoramic glass roof and so many other features that Tesla usually include with every other model in their lineup. The base variant happens to be a rear-wheel drive model, unlike the other all-wheel drive variants that we have with the Tesla Model 3. The next variant has to be the long-range all-wheel drive variant that can do 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds, with a top speed of 145 miles per hour. We are also looking at an estimated range of 353 miles per charge, which is absolutely impressive, and it shows that EVs have evolved over time. The last and most exciting variant of the Model 3 has to be the performance variant. Yes, it does offer only 315 miles of range on a single charge, unlike the long-range model, but this variant is all about the performance that it offers. We're looking at 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 3.1 seconds, with a top speed of 162 miles per hour, which is impressive considering the fact that we're looking at a sports car level performance with an entry-level sedan from an EV manufacturer. When it comes to the exteriors, the design looks really good and also happens to be futuristic. It has a very minimal design, but it is sure a head-turner. You can get the Model 3 in 5 different color options, like the pearl white, solid black, midnight silver metallic, deep blue metallic, and red multi-coat. Keep in mind that these color options will cost you more than the price tag mentioned in the website. When it comes to the interiors, we see that the design language throughout every Tesla model is on the minimal side, and this is also the case with the Tesla Model 3, and it's only got a 15-inch touchscreen in the center, and we don't get anything else. We don't even get a screen behind the steering wheel, and it can be difficult for a lot of you to take your eyes off the road while driving. Tesla's infotainment system also does not support Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, but Tesla's own software with the infotainment system is really good. But if you're a huge fan of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you will definitely miss it here. The Tesla Model 3 will also have a seating capacity for 5 people, and the cabin is airy with a lot of view of the outside world from the inside. You also have plenty of headroom and legroom inside the Model 3. You also have the option of different colors with the interiors as well. When it comes to the cargo space, you shouldn't be expecting a lot when you compare it to the Model Y or Tesla's larger Model S. But there is still a decent amount of room in here, because you could fit a lot more stuff inside the car because of the lack of an engine at the front. When it comes to the ride quality, this vehicle handles like a sports sedan, thanks to its precise steering and a sporty suspension. It's enjoyable to drive, but while the ride is satisfactory, it may be a little harsher than some luxury car buyers prefer. The regenerative brakes are best in class, which is not always the case with EVs. When it comes to safety, Tesla is offering a full self-driving capability option on all of their variants, and this will include semi-automated driving features like automated parking and the ability to change lanes simply by flicking the turn signal. The Tesla Model 3 also performs incredibly well in almost every safety test out there, and it does earn a 5-star rating with the highest possible scores in almost every test. Every variant of the Tesla Model 3 includes front and rear automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. In order to get the full self-driving capability, you need to pay $10,000 up front or a monthly subscription fee. When it comes to pricing, the Model 3 is the most affordable option in Tesla's lineup. The rear-drive Model 3 Standard Range Plus is the most affordable Tesla, costing around $39,990. Dual-motor AWD models begin at about $49,990 for the Model 3 Long Range and $56,990 for the Model 3 Performance. The dual-motor Performance is an exceptional vehicle as it comes with Track Mode, which relaxes the restrictions on the stability control system and allows for some slide. But for the majority of purchasers, the best Model 3 is the cheapest one available. Now, not everything is really great about the Tesla Model 3, just like every other car out there. We don't have any huge complaints, but we do have a few of them. The first one has to be the inconsistent performance from the driver assist features. There is plenty of road noise, like the noises that creep into the cabin of the Tesla Model 3 when driving over bad roads. So, to sum things up, Tesla is not a company that invented electric cars or even luxury electric cars, but Tesla's success lies in creating a business model for bringing compelling electric cars to the market. Tesla was also successful in building a large network of superchargers to solve the greatest problem with the adoption of electric vehicles, and that has to be the range anxiety issues that people had when buying an electric vehicle. Because before Tesla, we didn't have any compelling electric vehicle that promised a practical range on a single charge. The Model 3 can take advantage of the Tesla infrastructure that was created for the Model S and the Model X. And when we have more Teslas on the road, especially the Model 3s and the Model Ys, this will also benefit every other user of Tesla, because there will be even more superchargers available around you. So an increase in the number of Tesla owners will result in better infrastructure for Tesla owners. So Teslas are pretty range anxiety proof thanks to the supercharger network's expansion, charging speed, and how efficiently the car utilizes its battery reserves. The Model 3 fits perfectly with Tesla's goal to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. The Tesla Model 3 today has to be the mass market car for Tesla right now, even though the price tag is much higher than what you would expect with the traditional mass market car like the Corollas, for example. But hey, these are electric vehicles, and batteries do cost a lot of money. And once you pay for a Tesla, you don't have to visit a gas station ever again. So if you're looking for a great family car with a lot of performance, the Tesla Model 3 does make a lot of sense to you. With that, we've come to the end of our video. What do you like about the Tesla Model 3? Are you planning to buy one soon? If yes, do let us know in the comment section below, because we would love to hear from you all. Consider subscribing to our channel for more content just like this one. And while you're at it, turn on post notifications so you never miss out on any of our future uploads. Drop a like for the video if you're a huge fan of what Tesla is doing in the EV space. That's about it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you all in the next one.